Okay, what we're looking at here is a bridge that was taken out, geez, like 50 years ago. It's a train. It was a train bridge, and there was a dam down the way a bit that has been taken out by God. Nature removed a bridge, and so the terrain's all different. People have been through here, and they've sort of picked up. Sorry about the stability. They've picked up some of the trash. You can't see, I think the thing is you can't scrap this because it belongs to the railroad, and obviously nobody has a use for it at this point. But there's all kinds of cool rocks, old railroad steel, and this soon to be metal detected around here, I do believe. But there's all kinds of these shells that are kind of cool. Oops. Well, see, I'm gonna take a bunch of those shells, and they are going to be used in landscaping. And as those shells break down, that's just beautiful stuff. Whoa, careful now. For the soil, the plants and everything will appreciate it greatly. But yeah, this is just beautiful. Like, look at this. Piece of road. That's crazy. And with all this cool stuff, this nature, and then you got freaking oil company trash.